Okay. So, what are you cooking?
Actually, we are cooking chicken kadai.
Chicken karai. Alright. What about you?
Chapati.
Chapati.
Chapati, yeah.
Okay.
Desi bread, you can say.
Okay.
Please forgive us after eating. Please forgive us because this is our first time.
It's okay. Okay. So show me the process of
What are you expecting from us? What kind
expecting
of
something delicious.
Okay.
Because it looks delicious right now.
Yeah, we hope so. That we make it a delicious one.
Okay.
What about sabz mirchi?
Your masala, our masala.
Okay.
About this one. Chicken tikka masala.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah.
National tikka masala. अब क्या डालना है?
अभी